Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 1 of exercise 2.3. Okay, so here what question is stating? See, find 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4, then again you have to find 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5, and then again you have to find 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. So one by one we will find it out. Okay, just wait for a minute, students. Okay, so I was interrupted by the power supply, students. Now see, we will see this 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4. First we will start from here. Okay, followed by equal to sign. 1 upon 4 of means we know multiplication, students, and then 1 upon 4 itself again. Okay, so as we can see that here no common factor is there, no common factor. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators, then we will multiply the denominators, and we will write it in as it is. Okay, so 1 1 ja you will get 1, and 4 4 ja you will get 16. So its final answer will be 1 upon 16. Now coming to next segment, B. So in B what we have to find? 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. Okay, again we will find out, we will search for common factor between them. Okay, so there is no common factor, students, again. So what we will do, again we will multiply the numerators, then we will multiply the denominators, and then we will write it as we will get. So 3 1 ja we will get 3, and 4 5 ja 20. Okay, now next one is C. So here we will find out C. 1 upon 4 into how much? 4 upon 3. Okay, now again we will find out the common factor between them. So as we can see, students, diagonally here we are having the common factor 4 and 4. So 4 1 ja 4, and 4 1 ja 4. No more simplification possible, students. Hence what we will do, we will multiply the numerators and denominators, then we will write the answer. So 1 1 ja 1, 3 1 ja 3. This is the answer. Okay, now coming to next segment, students, question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is having how much? 1 upon 7 of, first we have to find A, how much? 2 upon 9, students. Then B we have to find how much? 6 upon 5, students. And then C we have to find out 3 upon 10. Now one by one I will explain you each one of them. Okay, now here I am going to solve A first. So 1 upon 7 of means multiplication. Again and again I am telling you. Now here we are having the next fraction 2 upon 9. So 2 upon 9. Now search for or try to find out the common factor between them. So is there any common factor? No common factor is there between them. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators, we will multiply the denominators, and we will write the answer. So 2 1 ja 2, 7 9 ja 63. Okay, now move to next segment, B segment. B segment 1 by 7 of how much? 6 upon 5. Again find out the common factor. Okay, is there any common factor? No. 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 So multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then that will be your final answer. So 6 1 ja followed by equal to sign. 6 1 ja 6, 7 5 ja 35. Answer. So simple questions are there in this chapter, students. Just you have to have command over table and then finding out the common factors. That's all. Simple multiplication and division calculations are there. Okay. Now moving to next C segment, 1 upon 7 of how much? 3 upon 10. Again find out the common factor. Is there any common factor? No. Is there? No. Is there? No. Is there? No. So multiply the numerators. 3 1 ja 3. Multiply the denominators. 7 10 ja. Answer. So this was your question number 1. I hope both the segments has been discussed, and I hope that you understood it, and thank you for connecting with me.